Craig waiting on deck. Ortiz jolts this out towards left center field. Piazza running back, and that ball is gone. Into the first row of seats. David Ortiz has gone deep again. This time opposite field. A 2-run shot, and the Red Sox lead it 2-0.
Talk about a great piece of hitting.